Hey lovelies, it's so good to have you here. Thank you for cooking with me. Today I will be making a very delicious stew. I've gone ahead to wash my tomatoes, deseeded my red bell pepper. I'm slicing it into a pot for easy boil. After slicing, I will put it on the stove. Don't add water because we are trying to drain the water out. And I've also washed my meat and my chicken. I'll be using hot chicken, and go ahead with the seasoning. I will blend my onions. I don't want to slice the onions, ginger and garlic. Blend it and add it to my meat that I've already seasoned. I'll go ahead and turn everything together. Make sure the ingredients go round and soaked in the meat. In this way, I know that my meat is very well marinated and the meat soaked in, or the ingredients soaked in the meat. Deja vu. I will boil this without adding any water yet. 10 to 15 minutes. And it's been boiling for 15 minutes. Go ahead and stir to be sure that it's not burning. Now I can add water. Don't add too much water because we will not need too much water when we're making the stew. I cover and I let it cook for another 35 minutes. And my tomatoes has been boiling. You see the water that comes out. I did not add any water at all. This water are all from the tomatoes and the pepper. With this method, you won't need to boil your tomatoes again. I don't know what is with this method though, because it gives the stew another whole taste. You should try it out. Try it out and comment, and you have to give me the credit though. So I let it boil again for another 10 minutes. And I'm going to drain out the water. Yeah, this is what is remaining from that whole lot of pepper and tomatoes. What happened? Yeah, let this water drain out. Okay, let's leave these tomatoes and go check our meat. And the meat has been cooking for another 35 minutes, altogether 50 minutes. And I'm going to sieve the water. Set the water aside. I'm using the oil that I used in frying my meat before. Now let's go ahead and blend our tomatoes. It's cool, not totally cool, but enough for my blender to handle. Not too hot and not cold. I blended my tomatoes to smooth. And on my last batch, I added garlic, ginger, and pepper. I mean Scotch bonnet, that's atarodo. Okay, don't do this. I did not let my oil hot before putting onions. I fried my onions and added the blended tomatoes. I don't like all these shooting stars. They mess up my kitchen and I just keep cleaning it every time. I don't know what tips you have for me in stopping these shooting stars every time. Look. I have just finished cleaning my kitchen and it's messing it up again. I'll cover the stew and let it boil for 10 minutes. At this point, I have not added any ingredient or seasoning. And I went ahead and added the stock, the meat water. Added the meat because I want the stew to soak in the meat because the meat is fried. I don't want it too hard. But when the stew is soaked in the meat and the meat is soaked in the stew as well, they complement each other. The meat becomes really tender and easy to eat. I will list all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Please press the notification button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I covered the stew for 1 hour for a medium heat and let it cook, very cook, and let the water dry out a little bit, not so much. And it's been cooking for 1 hour. First, let me off the stove so I don't experience more shooting stars. This is the stew after 1 hour. The water have reduced and this is a perfect consistency that I want. I will go ahead and test my stew if I'm okay with the taste, with the seasoning, and the stew is ready. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.